Imagine waking up in a beachfront bungalow on a tropical island, eating world-class street food, and exploring hidden waterfalls, all for less than the cost of a weekend back home. Is it actually possible to travel across Southeast Asia in 2026 on a dirt-cheap budget without missing out on the adventure? The answer is yes. In this video, I'm giving you the ultimate blueprint to travel cheaper, smarter, and longer. Welcome back to On the Earth. Southeast Asia remains the ultimate paradise for budget travelers, but heading into 2026, prices and travel hacks have shifted. Today, I'm sharing a complete step-by-step Southeast Asia budget travel guide so you can experience the trip of a lifetime without breaking the bank. Grab a notepad because these tips are going to save you hundreds of dollars. First rule of budget travel: location matters. While places like Bali or Phuket have gotten pricier, countries like Vietnam, Cambodia, and Laos offer insane value. In Vietnam, for instance, you can still get a full, delicious local meal for under $2. How do you get around without spending a fortune? Use tools like Skyscanner or Google Flights with price alerts turned on, and book 2 to 3 months in advance. Skip taxis and short domestic flights. Instead, take overnight sleeper buses or trains. Not only are they super affordable, but you also save the cost of a hotel night while traveling. Where should you stay? Perfect for solo travelers and meeting people from all over the world. Great for couples or anyone wanting a private room at budget prices. Book just your first 2 nights online. Once you arrive, shop around locally. You'll often negotiate much better rates in person. Avoid tourist-trap restaurants on main strips. Follow the locals and eat at street food stalls. The food is fresher, more authentic, and a fraction of the price. For activities, join group tours or rent a scooter with friends instead of booking private excursions. Traveling the world doesn't have to be a luxury saved for the wealthy. With a few smart choices, your 2026 Southeast Asia dream trip is well within reach. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button. Drop a comment below letting me know which country in Southeast Asia is #1 on your bucket list. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss another travel guide. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Happy travels!